If you have developed a product or started a new business, you must be thinking, should I get my products patented? So, before thinking about getting your products patented, it is important to understand what is a patent and why you should get your products patented. Hi, I am Prigya Arora, daughter of inspiring parents, alumna of IIT Kharagpur, engineer, turned lawyer and entrepreneur, and now founder of PA Legal, where we help creators and inventors protect their intellectual property. Let us now try to understand what is a patent. Patent is a set of exclusive rights granted by a sovereign to an inventor or an assignee for a limited period of time in exchange for a disclosure of an invention. I know these elements seems very complex to you, so let us try to understand them one by one. So number one, it is a set of exclusive rights. What does that mean? This means if you have a patent, you can exclude all others from practicing your invention. That means you will have monopoly in the market and only you can practice your invention. At the same time, you can stop others from practicing your invention. It is granted by the sovereign. Sovereign means it is granted by the government, and that means it is a jurisdictional right which varies country by country. So if you want to have a patent in India, you should protect your technology in India. If you want to get a patent in US, you should protect your technology in US, and specifically you will have to file your patent application in each of the countries where you want to protect your technology. Third, it is granted to an inventor or an assignee. That means if you are an inventor of an invention, you can get a patent, or if you are a company and your employee has developed something, he can assign the rights to you and then you can get a patent. Fourth, it is granted for a limited period of time. In India and in most countries, it is the time period of 20 years where you can protect your technology for 20 years from date of filing. Fifth, it is granted in exchange of disclosure of your invention. What does that mean? That means if you want to get a patent on something, for example this pen, you will have to draft a patent application and give it to the patent office. The patent office will examine your invention and in return will give you the set of exclusive right for 20 years. So it is only when your patent application passes the examination stage that you are granted a patent. So if you have invented something, you should file your specification at the patent office. The patent office will examine your application, and if your application passes the examination, you will be granted set of exclusive rights for 20 years where you can stop others from making, using, selling, offering for sale, or even importing your invention in India. So if you feel your technology has some potential, you should definitely go ahead and file your application. So this was all about what is a patent. If you have any further queries, please feel free to drop an email and I'll get back to you within 24 hours. Thank you.